Hi everyone. Here we are going to discuss about the time calculation. Right. So before we learn about time calculation, we should know these two things. That is the rate of the rotation of the Earth. So the Earth is rotating 360 degrees in 24 hours. When we convert it down into minutes and hour, we can say Earth rotates or turns 1 degree in 4 minutes, otherwise 15 degrees in 1 hour. So this is the rate of rotation of the Earth. Now in order to do the time calculation, this is one thing which we must know. Now let's take a question. So let me write a question here. Calculate the time at 30 degree east longitude when it is 10 am at 60 degree east longitude. Right. So this is a question. Calculate the time at 10 degree east longitude when it is 10 am at 60 degree longitude. So first of all, we should know the question thoroughly. What are the informations given in the question? So we know that we need to find out the time at 30 degree east longitude, and this is when the time is 10 am at 60 degree longitude. So one of the easiest method is drawing these longitudes or drawing two lines to represent these longitude. So first we have to draw the longitudes. Right. We know that both the longitudes are east longitude, that means we are in the eastern hemisphere. The value of the longitudes increases from west side to east side, otherwise on the screen from the left side to right side. So east side or 30 degree east longitude will be the one on the left side. So this is 30 degree east longitude, and this one on the right side will be 60 degree east longitude. And the time of 60 degree east longitude is given in the question, that is 10 am. We should find out the time at 30 degree longitude. So these are the information given in the question. Now what are the steps? Steps are very simple. First of all, we need to find out the difference in longitudes between the two given places. That we can easily find out. Then we have to calculate the time difference by using the rate of rotation. Then we have to see whether that time difference need to be added or to be reduced from the time of the given place. These are the steps. So let's try to do this. Alright, so let me write here on the right side. First of all, the information given like we have already written. Let's find out the difference in longitude between places. So difference in longitude is equal to 60 degree minus 30 degree. So the difference in longitude is 30 degrees. So this much is the difference in longitude. And we know the rate of rotation. Rate of rotation of Earth, that is 1 degree in 4 minutes. So if you want, we can do it in minutes, or if you want, we can do it in hours. So here it is 30 degree. I am going to use minutes. Later we can practice with hours. Now this is the rate of rotation. Next thing, we have to find out the time difference between these two places. So time difference is equal to difference in longitudes, difference in longitude multiplied by the rate of rotation. Alright, so let's do it. So difference in longitude we have already calculated. It is 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees multiplied by 4 minutes. So we know that to turn 1 degree Earth takes 4 minutes. Therefore, to turn or to rotate 30 degrees, Earth will take 30 into 4 minutes, which means 30 into 4. That is 120 minutes. For our convenience, we can convert this 120 into minutes, hours. So 120 divided by 60, that means 2. Otherwise we can say 2 hours is the time difference between the given two longitudes. Now next thing, we need to know whether we should add this 2 hours to 10 am or we should reduce this 2 hours from 10 am. How can we do that? We know one formula, that as we go towards the east side, as we go towards the east, the time is always ahead. Otherwise we can say time increases if we go towards east side. and if we go towards the west side, time decreases, otherwise the time is behind the time of east. So here when we take these two places given in the question, the time of the place located on the west need to be identified. That means we have to reduce 2 hours from the time of 60 degree east. One more time, keep in mind, Earth is rotating from west to east, therefore when we go towards the west, their time will be behind the time of east side. So here in this question also we need to find out the time of the place located on the west. That means we have to reduce the time difference from the time of 60 degree east longitude. The time at 60 degree east longitude is 10 am, which is given in the question, and the time difference that we calculated was 2 hours. So we have to reduce 2 hours from 10 am. So the time will be 8 am. Alright. So we got the answer here. The time of 30 degree east longitude will be 8 am. So this is how we calculate the time of one longitude when we get the time of another longitude. If the place was located on the eastern side of 60 degrees, then we would have added that time. So keep this one thing in mind. If the given place is located on the west side, we have to reduce the time. If that place is located on the east side, we have to increase the time. So we will do more such questions in the coming classes. Thank you.